Welcome. Today I'm modeling Lab 3C, which is kitchen calorimetry. What we're going to do is we're going to use this apparatus that you see between us to measure how much heat is released from this food stuff. Down here I've got a generic wheat thin, and I've provided data for you. Some of it is on the board behind me, but you'll see it on Canvas. To help you finish the lab, but I felt like it was important that I record this video to show you kind of how the process works and just to give you some pointers like I would if we were here in class. So what I've got set up is I poured 100 mils of water into the soda can, and I've just got a thermometer in the soda can. So think about our calorimetry labs where specifically the first one, we heated up magnesium and then we stuck it in that coffee cup calorimeter and we measured the change in temperature, and we used that as a reflection of the change in heat. So we could use our Q equals MC delta T equation to do that. So same thought process here, but instead of heating up the magnesium and putting it in, we're going to have the heat source directly under the can, so it's providing the heat directly to the can. Now, we're going to have some percent error because we're going to lose some heat, right? Like this is not a perfect system. We're going to lose some heat this way. Probably some is going to go up beside the can. The can itself is going to absorb some. So it's an imperfect calorimeter, but it is still a calorimeter. So let me grab got my lighter, and I'm just going to light this wheat thin and let it burn from below. Like I said, I'm not collecting data off of this run, but I want you to again see what happens when we do the lab. So I'm just trying to get this to light, and food is not the best burning combustion source, I should say. But you can see the smoke rising. We're definitely getting some heat. We're getting some burning even if we can't see the flames. So this is much stinkier in person than it is on video. So again, I'll just continue holding this here, and I'm watching the thermometer to see how much the temperature is changing. I'll wait until the temperature is done changing, and then I'll make my temperature final measurements, and then I will be in good shape there. So I think I'll stop right there. I think you see how it works. Some food burns a lot, like Takis burn a lot more brightly, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Like there's more of a flame. Like Cheesy Poofs do the same thing. Cheesy Puffs, however you say that. I say Cheesy Poofs from South Park, whatever. But I will pause here because I need to vent the room. That smoke stunk up the room. So I'll pause this video here and I'll create a second one that talks about the logic behind the experiment. And then I've got some key pointers on the calculations I want to help you with. So that'll be in video 2.